Hello everybody, this is Mel Marquez with you, and today I'm going to show you how to do a faded French, or they call it baby boomer. Okay, earlier today I've done my right hand, okay, and I used pink powder and natural powder, all right. And now in my other hand, on my left hand, I have prepared already, applied the tip, glued the tip on, blended 4 fingers, okay. This is how you blend them, and I left one, my thumb. I'll show you how to blend it. That would look like natural, okay, on your nails. Because some nail technicians, they just apply it. They just apply the tip and doesn't really bother into blending the plastic tip into the natural nail. I'm going to show you how. This is how it looks if it's not blended yet. So this nail, we're gonna blend it and I'll show you. I have here an old file. I use it for my blending. This is 150 file, okay, 150 grit file. So what I'm going to do is find my lateral walls or my side walls, file it straight, yeah, and then start blending from here, yeah. Start blending from here. Make sure to only file the plastic nail. Avoid the natural nail. Alright? It's just like makeup. We have to use foundation and then we will blend it. Okay? So it's the same. Blending is the key if you are using nail tips like this. I usually use nail form, but lately I've been wearing my nails very short, and I have this habit of cutting it very short till the high ponytail. That's how I wear my short nail, short, okay. So I decided to show you how to do the baby boomer, since I have a lot of requests in my private messages, okay. So for those who are requesting this, I hope you are watching this now. So take it slowly, okay, and check. As you can see, I'm only filing the plastic nail. So now we have to remove this guys in this area. Okay, we have to eliminate them, eliminate this line until it is blended. Okay. So now I cannot feel the line of the plastic nail anymore. Now, sometimes I'm so perfectionist when it comes to blending. Now I'm going to use my 100 and 180 buffer. So this is 180 and the rough side is 100. Remember, the lower the number is, the more rough your buffer or file. The higher the number, the more fine it is, okay? So as you can see now, because earlier I did not buff my natural nail, I have to wait until this moment to buff it so that I can have a beautiful blended plastic nail, and you don't even feel it. Okay, it looks natural nail now. So now it's time to clean these babies. Okay, this is a nail cleanser. Scrub the natural nail properly along the cuticle lines, and then we will apply our bonder. Okay, now this is an acid-free primer. Okay, it is an acid-free, but it doesn't mean that we have to flood the cuticles or the skin around our nails. Alright, so avoid the skin even if it is an acid-free primer. So we apply this carefully in all the 5 nails. And then these babies are ready for liquid and powder application. Okay, so these babies are ready. Now we will apply this is our natural powder, which I mixed a little bit of bright white. I found out that this is too subtle for me. I wanted something brighter, and this is the combination of cover pink and light pink. I find out that the cover pink is too dark for my skin tone, so I have mixed it with a little bit of sheer pink powder. Now we're ready to apply. So we'll dip our brush on our monomer, and then we will get a little bit of this white powder or natural powder. Okay. I think this is really white now. I thought I just made a little bit brighter, but let us see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna push this baby a little bit upwards. Okay, make sure that your white powder is thin, because you can make it thicker later with the clear powder. I always cap it with the clear powder when I'm doing this kind of French. Now we're gonna apply our pink powder just on top of this. Okay, and slowly, I think it's better for you to look at this. Slowly press it down near the cuticles. Okay, but not touching the cuticles, not touching the skin. It should be tapered. Okay, it should be tapered down, just like that. Okay, See, you have to work quick because this liquid and powder acrylic does dry quick on you. And especially, you know, nowadays it's summertime in Kuwait where we are, so it really affects the application. You know, it's warm outside. Okay, that's how you do it. Guys, it's so difficult to do your own nails, but every nail technician should know how to make their own nail. So guys, we're done with our application. So now it's time to clean our brush. Okay, clean it with your monomer. Make sure that there are no powders in there anymore. Brushes are expensive, so you have to take care of them. Some technicians, I see their brushes, and I was wondering how on earth they'd think they can cut off the dried acrylic on the tip of the brush. This brush, you need to know how to use it, you know, from the tip to the belly of the brush. And brushes are expensive. They're not cheap. And if you find cheap brushes, you know, they don't last long. I have favorite brushes. I like a brush from CND and brushes from Harmony and a brush of Young Nails. I love the brushes of Young Nails. So, guys, after washing the brush, just leave, after cleaning the brush, just leave monomer on it, okay? And just put it on the side. You have to store your brush lying down, not upwards, okay? Always lying down. And when disposing of your monomer, you have to saturate it with tissue and throw it in the bin directly, okay? You do not pour it in the drain. So this is how you dispose of your leftover monomers. This is the nail, right? You have to find the center, okay? Where's the center? I have to show you. From here, you have to find the center of the nail. Okay, draw a line in the middle. Uh-oh. Okay, there you go. Draw a line in the middle. Yeah? So, now, This is the middle of the nail, and from the middle to this corner, you have to find the center of that too. Okay, all right, and from this middle to this corner, you also find the center, the middle of that space. Okay, so now this is your guideline when you file. Okay, let's keep this, put it aside, and let's start filing. Now, when you file from the side wall, then you go up. Yeah, you go up and you eliminate that line on the side. Okay, this way you are sure that you are establishing this side wall here. Okay, once it is established, okay, go to the other side, this side. First, find the side wall, file it straight, and then angle it this way, since this is an almond nail. Now, since we're done on this side, we will go to this other side. Yeah, now when you file, always coming from down, going up. Yeah, in that angle. Okay, it's very important that along the cuticle lines and here on this side wall, you don't have a product there, because that's itchy. Okay, it's uncomfortable for the client. Now, the reason I'm coming down, going up, because I don't want a corner in this area. I want it to be smooth going down like that. So you can also do this. You can also go down instead of coming upwards. Okay, so we eliminated this line on this side. So as you can see now, we have only here. Our apex is still there. It's not affected, okay, in any way. Now, as you can see, this nail, okay, it's not thick, okay, but the structure is just right. You can see the apex here, okay, and the tapered cuticle area here, and a thin free edge. Now, we'll finish this. Go along the cuticle line, and then it's like drawing a big C or a capital C, or I call this rocking the boat. Okay, right, that's what I learned from Creative Nail Designs a long time ago. Okay, you know, as you keep on practicing, guys, and keep on doing nails, everything will become easy. You don't need to stop learning. Keep on practicing, because even if you are a very good nail technician, if you don't practice, like now with this COVID-19, all of us are quarantined in our own houses. do your nails or do your flatmate's nails or anybody. Just practice, keep on practicing, okay? Especially with the speed. To do one set of these nails, you should do it in 1 hour, okay? If you're doing the hand filing, let's say 1 hour and 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Not 2 hours or 3 hours. Remember, time is gold. Time wasted is bad for business. Okay? Nail technicians, always watch out your time when you're doing nails. Do not waste so much time talking to the client. Okay? Just do your work and make it professional. Silence. Okay. Little bit here, I guess. And here. Okay. So this is our baby boomer. For 100 and 180 buffer from Vibe. 100 and 180 buffer from Vibe. Use the 100 first. Remove the scratches of that 180 file. Now, we are using our 180 side of the buffer. Okay. Oh, managed to cut there and here. Anyway, so we're gonna find our shiner. What kind of shiner we have here? We have here from Astonishing brand. Okay, so this is 600 and 4,000. And I use the 600 first. Like I said, the other one is brighter. This one is brighter. than the other one. This is the this natural powder